Today is going to be a short showcase of the Insta360 GO2 in the Pro Video mode with a resolution of 1440p and the frame rate set at 50 FPS. When I did my review of this guy, I couldn't find the setting that sent the Pro Video into 50 FPS. I could only get it working at 30 FPS, but it was just a hidden setting in this controller here, and you can also change it via the app on the phone as well. So I thought to give it full justice, I would show you it working in that 50 FPS option, and of course it still has to be in this Pro mode, which is a little bit confusing. The settings I'm going to be using after the fact are FPV stabilization rather than horizon lock, because it was a nice freestyle flight that I did with this Emax Babyhawk HD. And the bitrate, I think I set in the app at around about 100, which is probably overkill for YouTube, but I want you guys to be able to see the quality in all of its glory. Really starting to like this camera. I had a great flight and a great result out of it, I think. Again, it was a sunny day. I didn't need to use any of the ND filters. Tend to find that it's quite a dark image anyways. You get a little bit of noise grain on there when the sun goes in, so wasn't getting any jello or anything like that. The color setting is just set to normal. One thing that I have found is there's a setting in the app called linear, and that gives a very similar look to real steady. It flattens the horizon, but you don't really lose any field of view. In fact, any of the settings that you apply to this guy doesn't really affect the field of view unless you select narrow, and then that does. Anyways, I thought it was a great result, so I'll leave you with the flight, and if you wish to get one, link in the video description. Cheers.